running. Most of us do not like it, and I guess the main reason that most of us don't like it is we don't enjoy it because we're not good at it. I'm yet to meet someone that's good at running that doesn't like doing it. So the attitudes that we have towards running, fair enough, if we're not good at doing something, it's hard to enjoy it. But like most things in fitness, there's key things that we can do to enjoy it, okay? And with running, it's about making sure that we're not thrashing ourselves so we don't enjoy it, and just slowly making improvements. So this running technique is something that I use to build my run fitness up, and something that I use to enjoy my running. So go for a run, and when you get tired, instead of stopping or carrying on pushing yourself and thrashing yourself so you don't enjoy it, you're going to break into a slower jog or a walk to get your recovery back. Okay, and when you get this recovery back, then you're going to go for another run. So it's almost like doing intervals with your run. Okay, and I want you to go for at least 45 minutes doing this. Run, walk, run, or run, jog, run. Okay, and I can assure you, if you do this over 10 runs, have a break in between days that you're running, or do a couple of runs per week, and each time you employ the same strategy, okay, of run, walk, run, run, jog, run, okay, and you watch how much faster you get with your running, how much fitter you get, how much longer you can go for, just by employing this one strategy. Okay, it works for you. Okay, and focusing on your improvement, how much better you get than your previous run, rather than how much you suck at running, is going to completely change your attitude towards it. It's a completely positive attitude compared to your attitude of, I don't like running, I suck at running. Okay, give that a jam, go hard, and enjoy. Running's awesome.